How to create a beautiful weld seam in Blender. To make a weld seam in Blender, add a cube, duplicate it, merge them using the shortcut key, add the remesh modifier, and reduce the size to 0.03. Apply the modifier, add the multi resolution modifier, and subdivide twice. Switch to sculpting. Set the hardness to 0.8. Set auto smooth to 0.9. Add a texture. Set the texture to clouds. Size 1. Depth 0. We go into the storm. Set the linear. Next, jitter 0.15. Rotation 0.75. Length 15. Reduce the brush size using the period, not hotkey. Make a stroke. We get a weld seam.